Hello everyone, welcome to MLOps Minutes. So the aim of these short videos is to talk about MLOps best practices. And in each video we're going to focus on a fairly specific subject. So today's special is the introductory video. And it's quite simple. I've just been hired on our MLOps team because today we've already got an application up and running in production. It's making a lot of money. And it's really critical to our business, i.e., if it stops working for 2-3 hours or even several days, your company can simply go bankrupt. That's why today we're going to put everything in place to put best practices into practice. Good deployment practices, good data practices, and good code practices in this project. So I'm going to give you a quick overview of what this project does. I'll go through this page instead. Today, in production, we receive thousands of PDFs a day. And in these PDFs, we have images of cats, dogs, or other types of images. And historically, we had a team of 30 people who, by hand classified, had to tell whether each image was a cat or a dog or something else. Fortunately, we now have an AI that does this job. And the AI we use today is an AI that performs deep learning in supervised mode, i.e. we have data and answers. And with these data and answers, we're going to train an AI of the supervised type. So what does our production project look like? So what happened was that I launched the API on my laptop, and I've also launched our graphical interface so I can connect. Since we're concerned with security in production, I'm asked to authenticate myself. So I'm going to authenticate, and I'll be taken to the main page of my application. And there I'll be able to choose a PDF. So I've got some sample tests. Here I can choose a PDF at random. Here I can see a cat appearing, other. So you can see that my API is called. So I'll show you the demo side by side. So I've received responses from my API, i.e. here I'm told it's a cat. So that's what we call the feedback loop. I agree it's a cat. Is it something else? Well, yes, I agree. I agree. There's no cat or dog. It's definitely a cat. It's a cat. It's something else. Well, etc. And this is a dog. I'm going to take another image so that you can see that we're calling the API another image, another PDF file. And you can see that my API is called here. And here on the client side, we'll find our results. So here's a cat. Yes, it's a cat. Yes. And this, I can do it ad infinitum. At least I can show you what my production looks like. So there's no cat or dog here, it's something else. So we're going to use this project as a basis for taking you on board so that you can help us implement all the MLOps best practices. But before we begin, the next video will talk about what MLOps is, quite simply. See you soon.